Hi, Kaiser.
Teka, nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Sa house po natin.
Okay.
Napunta
Then?
tayo sa High Point. Nakita natin madami ng toys kasi na-win tayo madami ng tickets. Sa playground kasi always yung parang sa TV yung bingo, yung magkano, if naget mo po 50 or 500,
Hindi lang lalabas ang ticket.
mamawin ka.
Okay.
I need to burn this. You'll get 500 tickets. And my dad got 500
Si Ice
tickets.
din.
And me too.
Sige, sino gusto niyong batiin to sa atin, sa Philippines? Ito ang mahiwagang salamin. Sabihin nyo.
Hi. Hi, Kuya Kaiser. Hi, Ate Rika. I missed you because I cried. Oh, a long time ago. A long time ago.
Sige, sino pa ang papatiin nyo?
Hi,
Inay.
Ate Mario. Hi, Inay. Miss na miss kita. Pati tayo.
Sino
Hi.
pa?
Hi.
Ren, si Jay, sino?
Hi.
Si Jay.
Hi, hi.
Hello.
Hi, Atika. Hi, Daddy.
Sino pa? Come on, go.
Hi,
Kuya
Mom.
Rap Rap.
Hi, Kuya.
Huwag mong ganun gumanon. Jo Marie.
Hi, Kuya Raven.
Jo Marie.
Si Ice po nag-cry ko siya a long time ago. Tapos, na-play natin pictures. Pati po si Ate Kas po may broken
Teka.
arm.
Sino pa ba? Sino din yun na Si Kuya Ren, si Kuya Raven. Sino pa?
Hi, Kuya.
Ate Rika. Kuya Rainer.
Hello, Ate Rika.
Ate Mariel.
Ate Mariel.
Kaiser.
Kaiser. Hello, Kuya.
Jo Marie. Tsaka Kuya
Hi.
Rap Rap.
Hi, Kuya Rainer. Hi, Kuya Rainer.
Tsaka si Tita
Hi.
Jo. Tita
Hi.
Bebot.
Hi, Tita Jo. Hi, Tita Bon. Hi,
Tita Be. Ano ba ginagawa nyo?
And hi to
Kumakain pa kayo ng
Mommy.
Ito na yung dalawa, bagong dating, galing sa trabaho. Gulat na gulat.
Wait, what?
Kala pala po keta.
Lolo ko ka lang.
Hindi ka lapit kita. Ma, hindi ka lapit kita kasi ito muna.
No, why?
Tito Jutse.
Huh?
Tito Jutse.
Go. Sige, kanta na lang kayong dalawa yung very special moment. Ano ba?
Yes.
And
Found a very special love in you. And it's really that it's so.
go!
Nandun.
No, it's not that one.
Kanta kayo Huwag niyo nawakan. Record pa ni Tita Beto.
And I never believe I see I see.
Bitawan mo kasi. Bitawan mo.
And I found a very special love in you. And totally new.
Totally new.
Over and over.
Nag-away pa.
Very special loving you. It's a feeling that makes me true. Squeezing and tighter. But I never let it go.
Yay! Huh?
You pinch me too. No, cause she was like this. You pinch me. Yeah, no, I was going down. No, you pinch me.
Oh, tara. Bayaan mo. Come on. Bilis. Go. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Yung sa bedroom ko po.
Ito ba yung bedroom mo? Okay.
Tapos ito yung
Ito yung bedroom ni Ice.
po kami. Tapos yung daddy ni Ice gusto kasi
Ito yung bedroom namin.
siya ng
The bedroom ni Ice.
PlayStation 2.
Ha?
PlayStation 2.
Bilis, pakita niyo yung ano nyo.
Pati yung song po namin.
Yan, saan ba yung
song
mga
po
nandyan?
namin.
Pakita
I am able to live.
Okay. Yung mga litrato na, mga picture na lang. Pakita yung picture na.
Okay. And this is the class.
Teka, si Cassandra muna. Magturo mo yung tatlong friend mo. Isang friend mo na lang pala. Isang boy tsaka isang girl.
No.
Sige, one girl na friend tsaka one boy na friend. Sige, yung girl muna.
Fine. Can I choose two girls?
Hindi, isang girl lang muna.
No.
Oh, sige.
This one.
Sino
and
yan?
this
Sino
one.
yan?
This one's Jessica and that one's Taryn. She's cute, but she has eczema.
May eczema. Huwag naman likod. Tapos, ito yung teacher nyo.
Miss Abala. Vicky Abala.
Okay, yung friend mo na boy. Sige yan, bilis.
Fine.
Sige, si Ice na lang tuturo. Sige, si Ice na lang tuturo.
Okay.
Friend mo na
This is my
babae.
whole class. This is my friend,
Sino ba?
Gemma person.
Yung friend ni Cassandra na boy.
Yan
Friend na
po.
boy, hindi boyfriend. Sinasabi ko.
Iyan po sa akin din. Little bit, okay? Pati ito naman. Pati yan.
Hindi, yung boy na friend ni Cassandra.
Pati yung friend ko pa si Amanda. Pati si Jessica.
Okay.
Taryn. And that's enough. Pati yung boy ko po na friend. Si Tito Joy. Ang kawi. Which is this one. Marco.
Dito ba kayo gumagawa ng ano? Dito kayo?
And we have a song.
naman kayo mag-aaway na naman ngayon.
And it's I am promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise with a capital P. I am a great bundle of power. And I am learning to use my voice, and I am trying to make the right choice. I am a promise to be anything I want to be. I can go anywhere that I want to go. I can be.
Okay, sige, magbabay na kayo sa kanila. Bye-bye. Take care.
No. This is my school.
Asa may school nyo?
This needs to be my.
Teka. Kasi, ito, yung class picture nila. Teka.
You show why.
Wait. Ito si Cassandra. Tapos, ayun naman si Ice.
And I have some more
Kasi,
friends.
classmates
And I have some more friends which look.
Sino ba? Si?
Hallelujah.
Tsaka sino?
Sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G.